How's it going, everybody? Here to open up a 2024 WWE Prizm hobby box. Hoping we pull a Roman among other big names, but most of all Roman. That's mainly what we're looking for. So I did get a box last year, and don't recall hitting anything too crazy. At least the auto wise. So hopefully better luck this year. So let's see. Got it. Boom. All right, we did it. We configured it out. We've got Diesel, Braun Breaker, Dominic Mysterio, Kane, Liv, Carmella, X-Pac, X-Pac, Izzy Dame rookie. We'll put the rookie to the side. Tatanka. We got a Bronson Reed, big Bronson Reed Red Wave. Those I don't think are numbered. We got a Moments Diesel keeps gold at WrestleMania. Is this an auto? It is. Carlito. All right, we'll take a Carlito autograph. This is a one. What? This is the 1/1 Carlito Sensational Signatures autograph. What? Okay. We got the 1/1. Let's sleeve that up real quick. Wow. First pack of the break. We'll top load it after, but damn. Okay. I have no idea how much that would even be worth. Like, is there a Carlito? There's got to be PCers for everybody, but like Carlito? I don't know. That'd be interesting. Eddie Guerrero, Sami Zayn, JC Jane, Damian Priest, Bray Wyatt, Bianca Belair, Lola Vice, Brother Love, Odyssey Jones, and a Brother Love refractor. Blue Earthquake. We got a Blue Earthquake. And Prismatic Entrances Miz. Alright. The blue is at a $199, I believe. Yeah. $199. Alright. Alright, we got Mark Coffey, Finn Balor, Jake the Snake, Nikita Lyons, Ricochet. He's not there anymore. Dude Love, Dakota Kai, Obafemi rookie. That might be a good one. Kurt Angle, Katana Chance, and we got something under here. Katana Chance, Red Wave. Seth Rollins, WrestleMania moments. And what is this? Jey Uso. Is this like a Pulsar or something? Yeah, it's at a $4.99. It's only at a $4.99, but it's pretty cool. Jey Uso. All right. Just started raining. So that's cool. All right. Kiana James, Yokozuna, Sherry Martel, Joe Gacy, Tony D'Angelo, there we go. Tiffany Stratton, Dragon Lee, Maxine Dupree, Kairi Sane, Sean Spears Refractor, and a red Undertaker. Okay, we'll take a red Undertaker. That's cool. Austin Theory. This is at a $2.99. All right. Okay. Try to keep it going. All right. Rowdy Piper, this is such a silly card, I think. I don't know why, dude. All right. Got a purple coming up, I think. R-Truth Refractor. Rumble Performances. Shawn Michaels. And we got a purple. Whose is that? Carl Anderson Purple. Okay. This is out of $149. Okay. Carlito, Andrade, Jada Parker rookie, Batista, John Cena, Eddie Thorpe rookie, Red Wave, Akam. Got another Pulsar. There's Razor Ramon entrances. And the Pulsar Dragon Lee. Dragon Lee. Alright, so. Still looking for the other autograph. Rhea Ripley. Bailey. Johnny Gargano. Now looks like we got a red. Here's Punk. Hulk Hogan Refractor. A red Jey Uso. And Godfather. So that was $2.99 on the red Jey Uso. Another refractor. So we got a good stack of stuff. Lex Luger. Io Sky. Cora Jade. Braun. Fucking screw Braun. The Rock. AJ Styles. Channing Stacks Lorenzo. Red Wave. And another Pulsar. Alba Fire. Alba Fire. And there we go. We got the Roman Reigns WrestleMania moments. Alright, what do we got, like 4 packs left? Still looking for the other autograph. Think it might be in here. I think it's in that one. I don't know why, I thought I saw something flipped. So we'll leave it. Alright, Charlie Dempsey. Oro Mensah. DL. There's Riley Osborne, rookie. Terry Funk, rest in peace. Triple H. We got a Montez Ford. That's a cool card. Red Wave. And then a red Blair Davenport. The moment is Stone Cold. All right. Ooh. Almost done. Umaga. Dexter Loomis. Ava. And ooh, we got a Raquel refractor. And a Bubba Ray Pulsar. I don't even know if that's what it's called. Oh, we got a refractor. Rumble Performances, Hulk Hogan. So, refractor version. Okay. And let's see. Got a green. Psycho Sid. Ah, rest in peace. The Great Muta. Okay. Wasn't expecting him to have a card. Dijak. We got a Seth Rollins refractor. And like some kind of green. Jimmy Uso. No, that's like a teal. Bianca. The teal. This is out of 49. Pretty nice. Okay. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff here. All right, so I was right. Let's see. Moment of truth. Brinley Reese, rookie. I don't know who that is. And I know a lot of the NXT names, but I don't know who that is. Cody Rhodes, Nikki Cross, Kofi Kingston. Got a Sandman. All right, we got Roxanne Perez, Emergent. And let's reveal. Okay. We were wrong. Hang on. Oh, hang on. There's a purple. Hang on. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Let's look at the purple. Brutus Creed purple. And the auto. Santos Escobar. Okay. Another sensational signatures. Red. This is out of 99. Interesting signature. So we got like 2 Hispanic men here. All right. Yeah. All right. So I don't know what to make of that box. I think it was kind of interesting. I think it was better than the box I got last year, to be honest. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. I could go through it real quick. Yeah, I'll just go through it real quick. Purple Brutus Creed, like a teal Jimmy Uso out of 49, a Pulsar Bubba Ray, Blair Davenport, red. Alba Fire, Pulsar. Jimmy Uso, red. Pulsar. Dragon Lee, purple. Carl Anderson. Undertaker, red. That's pretty cool. Jimmy Uso, Pulsar. Earthquake, blue. And then a bunch of just like red and refractors. Well, red waves. And the hits, we got a red at a 99, Sensational Signatures, Santos Escobar, and the 1/1 Sensational Signatures, Carlito. So, there you have it. Thank you guys for checking out the break, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.